Hi, I'm Nancy Quinn. I am so excited to talk to you today about this recipe that I have. It's for cinnamon pecans, and my family loves them, and I also give them away as gifts. So let's start with this 2-pound bag of pecans. Well, okay, this doesn't want to open for me, but sometimes you have to be smarter than the bag. So we'll just get the scissors out of the drawer. Done. Okay, we're going to need a 2-pound bag of pecans. These are just the halves. There's only a few ingredients. This is something really easy to put together. In this bowl, I have 1 egg white and I have 1 tablespoon of water. Now I'm going to whisk these together for just a couple of minutes until it gets really foamy, and then we're going to add the other ingredients. Now these, I think, are ready. You can see that they're nice and foamy. The next ingredient that we're going to need is 3/4 a cup of sugar and 1 tablespoon of cinnamon. Now I'm just going to take that cinnamon, put it on top of the sugar, and just very gently fold this in together. And mix it up a little bit. And you can see that the sugar is going to turn this beautiful color, a nice toasty brown. And I like to mix it fairly well here. There, that looks good. Now we're going to pour your foamed egg whites right on top of the pecans. Then, I want to make sure I get all that out. There. Then you're going to mix in your cinnamon and your sugar combination. And the next thing we're going to do is just mix it. So we want to get this all stirred up. Now my oven is preheating to 275 degrees. You're going to roast these on a cookie sheet, but at a very low temperature. Okay. Well, these look very well coated. And that's what you're looking for. You want to make sure that all the nuts have the sugar and the cinnamon. You know, it smells good even stirring it up. But wait till you put it in the oven, and the whole house is going to have a cinnamon fragrance. That's another thing I like about making this recipe. Okay, they look good. I did prep my pan just a little bit. I took about, just a little piece of butter, and I wiped it all down so that this won't get too sticky and hard to get off. Otherwise, it tends to kind of like be cement when you're trying to scrape those pecans off the pan, and you don't want to have to deal with that. So now that the pan has the butter on it, let's go ahead and get these pecans. I just dump them on and spread them out a little bit. Now about halfway through their 50-minute cook time, I am going to open the oven and stir them up. So let me get that started, and then I'll show you what I mean. This is really easy, but wait till you try them. The pecans are out of the oven. They smell glorious, and so does the rest of the house. I really hope that you give this recipe a try. As I mentioned before, they make great gifts. I simply put them in a Ziploc bag after they've cooled. And I found some of these little boxes at the dollar store. This one is silver with the red bells on it. It's just a little ornament that I tend to like to attach to the boxes so that after everybody is done enjoying the gift and it's all eaten up, they still have something to put on their tree. And I like to give these for a family. This one is cute. It says, "Have yourself a merry little Christmas." It's a little more casual, but it's a bigger box, so you can feed more people. I really hope that you decide to give these recipes a try, and that they may even become part of your holiday traditions as they are in mine. So thanks for your time today. It's been a very busy day in the kitchen, and as you can see behind me, it's probably time for me to start cleaning up. So thanks again, and I'll see you soon.